Within the CB community, we face many issues on a day-to-day basis, one of which is dress code. We here at the CBHTalon wondered what would happen if one of us wore a tuxedo. We imagined these funny incidents where one of us would be walking around, talking to teachers, talking to kids. In fact, we even had the idea that one of us would interview the deans. It was a crazy idea, just crazy enough to work. I never quite understood why, but I got a lot of funny looks walking around the school. It's a beautiful way to wear a tux. I sat down with Mr. Levasseur and Ms. Powers to get the fresh tux word. So, is a tuxedo out of dress code?
Technically, a tuxedo is out of dress code, yes.
You know the answer to that, Nick. Come on now.
But isn't it classy?
Well, so you're saying the dress code needs to be classy, or?
Yeah, I mean, aren't tuxedos classy enough for dress code?
You look really good in that tuxedo. I would recommend a vest rather than a cummerbund, but other than that,
preference, you know.
good.
Maybe you could consult a GQ club on this really important issue of vest versus cummerbund.
I'll be sure to bring it up. I got a few people in the GQ. So why isn't a tuxedo in dress code? What's the point?
You know, you should probably petition that. So do you want to be in dress code, or?
Oh yes, I do.
How come you didn't start with that question?
Well, there's not too many tuxedos that have, like, you know, the CB label there on the lapel.
I don't.
Let me see. See, I knew it. I knew it. And we want to, we want to save elegance like this for special occasions. Not that school isn't a special occasion.
Yeah,
I mean, hey, every day is a great day at CB. But your upper division ball, we want you to look like that. There's a time and place for certain clothes. Just like we want you to wear your. I wish you brought the yoga pants in, and we're wearing those.
Oh,
because those are meant for yoga,
week.
right? Or working out.
Right.
So when you're in school, you're working out your brain.
Mr. Levasseur tried to leave, but I wasn't done.
They could follow you out to the main
Speaking of
lawn.
lunch, let's do it. We ready?
Oh, not quite. Just a few more. How many times have you guys dealt with people wearing tuxedos?
I don't ever really remember. You might be our first tuxedo wearing student on a regular school day.
Will I get dress coded today for wearing this tuxedo?
Sure. Yeah. You want one? I'll give you one. Yeah.
No,
we got
it's up
lots
to you
of
guys.
stacks of
I saw you earlier today. You weren't in it. That was a good idea.
That's true, I wasn't. It was for a surprise. Despite my tears and protests, Ms. Powers gave me a dress code violation. She's writing me a dress code violation. She made me. Apparently I'm too classy.
He made me write it. Okay, and so the way this works is you keep your half with you in case any other teacher wants to give you a dress code violation today. You can show them that you've already received your violation slip.
Take that. After receiving a dress code violation, I decided I should go out and do the right thing. Sometimes it's a good day to wear a tux. This has been Nick Garcia reporting for KBFTalon, live, Sacramento.